The multidimensionality of the soul, a journey towards 5D. The soul, as a multidimensional entity, represents one of the most captivating and profound perspectives within the study of consciousness and spirituality. This view of the soul is not confined by the limitations of space and time as we perceive them on the physical plane. Instead, it exists across multiple dimensions or levels of reality simultaneously, offering unprecedented potential for growth and evolution. Birth and the return home. The process of incarnating on the physical plane, with all its limitations and challenges, is often seen as traumatic by the soul. This perception stems from the transition from a state of unity and complete connection with the all to an existence characterized by separation and individuality. However, this separation is illusory, a fundamental lesson in the soul's journey towards recognizing its true immortal nature. The aspiration to return home is nothing but the soul's longing to reintegrate into the wholeness and harmony of its multidimensional existence. This return journey, far from being an end in itself, is a process of ascension, an evolutionary movement from the constraints of the third dimension to the expansiveness and freedom of the fifth dimension and beyond. How ascension from the third to the fifth dimension occurs. Spiritual dimensions represent levels of understanding and perception, rather than physical places. Advancing to a higher dimension doesn't involve spatial travel, but awakening to deeper and more subtle realities already present in our surroundings. In the third dimension, we focus on material reality. In the fourth dimension, we tune into our emotions and thoughts. In the fifth dimension, we recognize the connection of unity and universal love. Reaching the fifth dimension means expanding our perception to recognize the love and interconnectedness among all beings, without the need to leave our current environment. This advancement represents a crucial leap in human development towards the long-sought peace. It is possible to simultaneously experience these three dimensions on the path to definitively consolidating our existence in the fifth dimension. Reaching the fifth dimension means expanding our perception to recognize the love and interconnectedness among all beings, without the need to leave our current environment. This advancement represents a crucial leap in human development towards the long-sought peace. It is possible to simultaneously experience these three dimensions on the path to definitively consolidating our existence in the fifth dimension. Ascension is, essentially, a profound transformation of consciousness. It involves expanding our perception beyond duality and limitation, towards an integrative understanding of our existence as multidimensional beings. This change in consciousness is both an awakening and a return, a reminder of our intrinsic spiritual nature and our indivisible connection with the whole. In transitioning from the third to the fifth dimension, we experience an acceleration in our spiritual evolution. The fifth dimension offers an expanded horizon, where the perception of time and space is radically transformed. In this expanded state of consciousness, physical limitations dissolve, and possibilities for spiritual exploration and creativity multiply. Increased sensitivity and understanding. One of the distinctive features of existence in the fifth dimension is a deeply increased sensitivity and understanding. In this plane, intuitive connection with others and the universe is more direct and transparent. This perceptual clarity opens new avenues for empathy, healing, and telepathic communication, facilitating a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. Utilization of spiritual attributes. Access to a broader range of spiritual attributes is another significant advantage of life in higher dimensions. Abilities such as clairvoyance, telepathy, and conscious manifestation become more accessible and refined. These gifts, far from being mere supernatural phenomena, are acknowledgments of the soul's inherent abilities when freed from the constraints of physical density. Understanding the soul as a multidimensional entity opens the door to endless possibilities for growth and spiritual evolution. The soul's journey from incarnation on the physical plane to its ascension towards dimensions of greater freedom and consciousness is a testament to its infinite potential for transformation and immortality. In this process of expansion and realization, each soul has the opportunity to explore the vastness of its own divine nature and contribute to the collective fabric of our multidimensional reality. I want to remind you that at this very moment, we are constantly creating our personal realities second by second. Therefore, whatever impacts or impresses you is manifested instantly, unconsciously. Unfortunately, it is the negative things that impact many people the most, leading to the creation of more negative situations for both themselves and others. Write it down so you don't forget. What impacts you, you create instantly. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care about you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together, we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.